Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to fix no sound problem in Filmora on Windows 11. If we click play button, the levels of sound are playing but we don't hear any sound. In order to fix this, go to search bar down and search for settings. Click on System and click Sound. Here, make sure the audio output is on your speakers and not headphones. Let's try it. If the problem is not fixed yet, go down and click Volume Mixer. Here also make sure the output sound is on speakers. The problem is here. The Filmora app is muted as we see the icon. Click on that and the problem will be fixed. If this video helped you, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, and follow for more.